got your back. Got your back. Great Ocean Road. And I think I'm half an hour out of Apollo Bay, heading for the Apostles. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, good. Half an hour out of Apollo Bay, heading for the Apostles. And yeah, what was that noise? Oh, that was just my partner in the back. I was just yeah. I think she was cuddling up, so it felt good cuddling up. So I got everything I need. I got cruise control, I got heated grips, so I got music in my ears, I've got nice scenery, and I even got someone to hug me in the back. Eh? That's pretty cool, eh? What a lucky boy, eh? Hey, who's a lucky boy? Oh, alright. Now, what do we got here? Interesting. Yeah, nice bit of road, eh? Hey. Blue Johanna Road we passed. Caravan fanging it. Gotta watch out for these fangers. Open, he took it. Oh, it's open again. He's taking it. Whoa. Nice. Sweet. Campbell, Warrnambool, I think I'm going left. Karma, Port Campbell, Warrnambool. Yeah, I'm going left. Here we go. Alright, yep, left it is. Blackwood Gully. Here we go. Port Campbell. Great Ocean Road. Good. Alright, I'm on the right track. Good. Oh, so where are we now? Cavers Hill? Lavers Hill. Lavers Hill. That's the one. Lavish Hill. Lavers Hill. Lavers Hill. And someone's singing in the back, I think. Let's get a glimpse of her singing, eh? You singing? Singing? Ah! You singing? You singing? Yeah? Sing? You singing? Sing? Yeah, sing. Go. Sing. Sing. No singing. I'm pretty sure I caught it singing. Okay. Alright, let's go, mate. We're back on the road. Here we go. Up in the way, flying TAA, the friendly way. I should change that. Let's change it, eh? Let me think about it for a sec. Here we go. Up in the way, flying beamer now, my friendly. No, that sucks. Flying up and away, flying BMW. Credit. There we go. Alright, when I get a hill, I'll do it on the next hill. Like we're taking off, you know what I mean? Let's see. Oh, this is a dip. Whoa. There we go. No, we're going up now. Up and away, flying BMW, the only way. There you go. That's the song. I don't know, BMW sounds corny. It's got to be something a bit more discreet, like up and away on my twin today. I'm flying. No, on my twin today. Yes, that's better. Okay, so up and away on my twin today. The only way. There you go. I think that'll do. Alright, learn it off by heart so we can sing it together, folks. Up and away on my twin today. The only way. Oh, and then you know the sound could be a twin. Like, it could be a tuba. Pretending to be a twin. Like that, right? So, tell you what, talk about creative. Hit your heart out, Mozart. Far out. I wonder where Mozart is now, too.